just wanted to let you guys know my dogs are fine. Right, Charlie? Come here. And tell the people you're fine. Someone just sent me a message and said that my dogs were acting up and everything, and they love to play, and
They were acting up. That wasn't playing.
come here. You want to tell them you're fine? Tell them we were playing.
Yeah, 'cause dogs can speak.
We had fun, and hi. I am, but I wanted to tell you that my dogs are fine. Stop it. It tickles. It tickles. Stop it. It tickles. It tickles. I don't know if you've ever had a dog lick you before, but it tickles. So here, Bear, come here. We get into these, like, they get a little rambunctious. Come here, Lily. Do you guys want to? I can't move.
This woman will never admit or take accountability for anything she's doing wrong, ever. She's 41 years old and acts like a teenager. If I had a pet and other people were telling me advice about my dog's behavior, I wouldn't constantly defend it. I wouldn't constantly be saying, oh, it's just playing. Because I bet you anything, she's constantly yelling at those dogs. She's constantly locking them in the room. She's probably dealing with their behavior, their bad behavior, all the time. That's not playing, Trisha. But you rather be in the right than listen to other people. And that will always be your downfall. And it's a shame that your dogs have to be the ones to be victims to your own arrogance. It's really sad.
My amazing Bear, Charlie, and Lily here. No, I'm not doing well. Can you help me here? Okay, help me out here. Hi, friends.
Trisha, you need to work on your fake laugh. I'm not buying it. I don't know who is.
Oh gosh, I tried. Hi, friends. Okay, try this again. Take five. No, stand down. Hey, no. This is a disaster. It's a disaster. It is. Okay, wait. Time out. Okay, wait.
She's trying to make it laugh to make it seem like this is a playful thing going on. But it really is just her dogs acting up. That's all it is.
Wait. Hold on. I have a. I know. Wait. Yes? Okay, wait. Time out. I got it. No, wait. Family's arguing. Hold on. Sorry, my family. This is like trying to take a Christmas picture. Wait. I want to finish this. Okay. Hi, guys. It is me, Trisha. And I want to say bye. Bye for now.
Her dogs are over there growling and barking and whatever else they're doing in the background, but she's just like, Hi, it's me, Trisha.
Because I've got more important things to do in my life than spend it on YouTube. The last few months.
Oh, yeah? Well, I thought YouTube was your income, so I'm pretty sure you'll be back. We'll see, but I'm pretty sure you'll be back. Unless you worked out some situation with your mods where they'll give you money. But you'll be back. You like the drama.
I've discovered something amazing and wonderful about me, and that means I don't need to be on YouTube anymore to perpetuate the drama. So,
You don't have to do drama on YouTube. There's plenty of other things you can do on YouTube besides drama.
me and my family, we're gonna get this right. We're gonna get this right. Hi, friends, it's me. Oh my, I can't. Okay, let's try this again. Can we do this again? Bear, come here. Oh, hold on, wait, we can do this. All of us can do this together, come on. It takes a team. We're a team. The four of us are a team. The four of us are a team, I promise. Okay, here we go. Ready? Let's try this again. Come here. Good job. Okay, listen, I understand. Just do one more minute, and I'll give you another treat, okay? Can I just say goodbye to my YouTube family? Now you're puking. What is this?
Well, now your dog's puking, but you can't even stop the live to figure out what's going on. That's a good owner.
What is this? What just happened? Okay.
But the show must go on.
Hi guys, this is like having your babies and they're all puking on you. You ready? Can we say goodbye? Can we say goodbye to the YouTube people for now? As you just stepped on my dress and I think you just ow, that was my okay. No, it's okay. Listen, we can do this together. No arguing. Family, no arguing. Okay? Don't sniff my butt on screen. No. Okay, let's try this again. Hi, friends. No, let's not do that. Okay, let's cover up. All right, ready? You got this? Okay. Hi, friends. It's me, Trisha. I've decided that I need to take it. Don't lick yourself while we're doing this. Okay. Hi, guys. It's me, Trisha. And I've decided... No. Hi, friends. It's me, Trisha. The YouTube queen. No, wait. Okay, queen of YouTube. Wait. Okay, I got it. Hold on. Oh, okay, wait. Okay, I got it. Hold on. No. I know what to say. I'll say it. Listen. No. 1, 2.
I said it once and I will say it again. Trisha, you need to train your dogs. I don't think you need your dogs taken away from you, but I do think you need to train your dogs. And you laugh about it and you think I'm just, or anyone else that says it is picking on you, but these dogs need to be trained. You are not the alpha of these dogs. They run control over you. And those two big dogs, they need to be taken out at least 2 to 3 times a day, as well as taken to the dog park. Not every day, but as often as you can. They need stimuli, they need to run around, they need all that kind of stuff. Just being locked up in a 3-bedroom apartment is not enough for them. Just to be looking at all those walls and the same thing every day, it's not enough for them. And whenever you get annoyed with them, you just throw them in a room and close the door. That's why they're so energetic. That's why they argue with one another. And they're not playing, as you like to put. They are full of energy. They're stressed out. They want to get that energy out, and you just see it as playing for some reason. Have you never seen dogs play?
Hold on. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 4, 5. Hold on. 7, 8, 9, 10. What? How do good boy? You know, how are you gonna be?
And she rewards the bad behavior with a treat. Just like children, you can't reward bad behavior with treats. All you're doing is rewarding all this behavior they're doing right now with treats. So what they think is, hey, whenever I act this way, I get rewarded for it. I know you think you know all, Trisha, but some things you don't.
Behave. 1, sit. Good boy. Now you sit. Now you. Now. I've got to go. I've got more important things to do.
Like train your dogs.
Being on YouTube all of the time. So I wanted to say thank you for tuning in and watching me. Thank you for being a part of our family. Thank you for being a part of my world. And I've got to go play now. And I've got some other...
And by the way, I like how she strikes my channel, but then leaves YouTube. So what was the point of that? She takes my channel, or tries to take my channel down, but she had intentions of leaving YouTube. That's a nice thing to do.
Things that I have to do. So thank you for watching. Thank you for being a part of our world. And Lily, do you want to help me say the last thing?
Lily doesn't want to say shit to you.
Like, no. Come here. You want to help me? Who's going to help me say goodbye? Who's going to help me? Who's going to help me say goodbye? That one day I'll find my Prince Charming. One day. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. I'm going to go do other things in the world, okay? Is that all right? Okay. I love you guys. Thank you for all that you've done for me and my family. And I'll check in with you with everything. Yes. What do we say? Okay, hold on.
Bear took that crown off. He thinks you're the queen of shit. I had to rewind that. That was priceless.
I'll check in with you with everything. Yes. What do we say? Okay, hold on.
Yup. You're the queen of shit. That crown needs to be taken right off your head. Even your dog thinks so.
You can help control the pet population. I gotta go. Have your pet spayed or neutered. I gotta go play. So I love you guys.
Yeah, that's plain. That's plain, Trisha. Keep telling yourself that.